What is data science? Full explanation in easy words. In simple words, data science is the study of data to find meaningful insights and patterns that can be used to make better decisions or predictions. Think of it like being a detective for information. First, collect and clean the data. You gather large amounts of raw data, like customer behavior, sales figures, or sensor readings, and clean it up so it's accurate and usable, like organizing and dusting the clues. Second, analyze and explore. You use math, statistics, and programming skills to look for trends, relationships, and hidden patterns in the data, like analyzing the clues for connections. Third, build models. You create tools, often using machine learning or AI, that can predict what might happen in the future or recommend an action, like predicting the suspect's next move. Fourth, communicate the findings. Finally, you translate these complex findings into clear, actionable advice for businesses or organizations, like presenting the case to the chief of police. Essentially, data science takes the massive amount of data being generated today and turns it into valuable knowledge that drives smarter choices. Data analytics is the process of examining raw data to draw conclusions about the information, primarily to answer specific questions about what happened and why it happened. Imagine you run a store. First, you collect data, sales receipts, customer traffic, and website clicks. Second, you analyze it. You create charts to see which product sold the most last month, what happened, and then dig deeper to find out that a specific TV ad caused a spike in sales. Why did it happen? Third, you get actionable insights. You decide to run that successful ad again or put the high-selling product in a better spot. In short, data analytics takes the data you already have and turns it into clear, simple reports and visualizations, like charts and graphs, to help people make better decisions right now. What is nominal data? Full explanation in easy words. Nominal data is data that uses names or labels to group things into different categories, and those categories cannot be put in any meaningful order. The word nominal comes from the Latin word for name. Think of it this way. It's about grouping, not ranking. The categories are just different, and one is not better or higher than another. Examples. First, eye color, blue, green, brown, hajel. You can't logically order these. Second, gender, male, female, other. Third, favorite movie genre, action, comedy, drama. Nationality, American, French, Japanese. Even if you assign numbers to these categories, like blue is equal to 1, green is equal to 2, the numbers are just codes. You can't add or subtract them because 2 minus 1 equals 1 doesn't mean anything in terms of eye color. It is ordinal data. Full explanation in easy words. Ordinal data is data that groups things into categories that have a clear, meaningful order or rank, but the distance between those ranks is not defined or equal. Think of it as a ladder where you know which step is higher, but you don't know if the distance between step 1 and step 2 is the same as the distance between step 3 and step 4. It's about order and ranking, but not measurement. Examples. First, customer satisfaction, very unsatisfied, unsatisfied, neutral, satisfied, very satisfied. You know, very satisfied is better than satisfied, but you can't measure how much better. Second, school grades, A, B, C, D, F. A is better than B, but the difference in knowledge between a C student and a D student might be different from the difference between a student and a B student. Third, raise results, first place, second place, third place. You know the order, but not the time difference between them. Ordinal data can be categorized and ranked, which makes it more detailed than nominal data, but unlike numerical data, you can't perform meaningful arithmetic, like adding or subtracting, on the categories. What is scale data? Full explanation in easy words. Scale data, or scales of measurement, is a way to describe and classify the information, variables, you collect. Think of it as knowing the level of your data, which tells you what kind of math and statistics you can use on it. There are 4 main levels, each building on the last. First, nominal scale labels. This is the most basic. The data is just named or put into categories, but there's no inherent order. Easy example, colors, red, blue, green, or gender, male, female. You can count how many are in each category, but you can't say that blue is higher or better than red. Second, ordinal scale, order. The data can be categorized and put into a meaningful order or rank. Easy example, Olympic medals, gold, silver, bronze, or survey ratings, very satisfied, satisfied, neutral. You know gold is better than silver, but you don't know if the difference between gold and silver is the same as the difference between silver and bronze. Third, interval scale, equal spacing. The data has order, and the distance between values is equal and meaningful. However, 0 is just another point on the scale, not a true absence of the thing being measured. Easy example, temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. The difference between 20\circ and 30\circ is the same as the difference between 30\circ and 40\circ. But 0\circ doesn't mean there is no temperature. Fourth, ratio scale, true 0. This is the highest level. It has order, equal intervals, and a true 0 point, meaning 0 genuinely represents the total absence of the quantity. Easy example, height, weight, or income. 0 weight means no weight, and you can say that 20\text, pounds, is twice as heavy as 10\text, pounds. Knowing the scale helps you choose the right way to visualize or analyze your data.